Just the boys today, huh? Wesley and I are hanging out because the girlies are at dance class. But we're gonna go meet them for lunch. Did you know that? Forgot to talk to you about that. Wes was napping, but I was sitting here editing and I just heard him. I heard him in there going, Dad! Dad! He wants me to play the movie.
Tell him what we're doing today. It's so bright. You gotta stand up. Why is it so bright?
There we go.
Okay, that's better. Okay, tell him what we're doing. I'm at an event, actually. Down east by us invited me to an event. We got here early, so we stopped and got some smoothies, huh? What's yours?
A chocolate favorite.
I got pink Starburst. It's on their secret menu, and it's pretty much all sugar, but it's so good. Huh? Worth it?
It tastes used.
Yeah, ours tastes the same.
Yeah.
You ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
We almost forgot. What are we doing after?
Then we do that slide.
Yay, show them your outfit. This is her second week at dance. Cute. Your dance shoes, her dance shoes are in my bag. Well, we're going in. Cute. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
You look cute. Go look at the mirror. Cute. Hi, it's us.
Found you guys.
Say hi, Dad.
Wesley, look who we found, bud.
Let's see. I'm starving.
Go get some burgers. Wes, did you miss Mom?
I missed you guys. Miss my boys.
Indy, how was dance class?
Good.
It was good? What did you learn? Did you do some toe touches? Some pas de bourrées? Okay, I just have to say something really quick. If you're ever in Ogden, come to the Freddy's on 12th Street because it's the best service. They always take such good care of us. Ask for Laura. She's the coolest. She always hooks us up. Super nice lady. Come to Freddy's.
Who are you talking to?
All the people that watch our videos. Did you know there are 20,000 people that watch our videos? Isn't that pretty cool? Just because they want to see you because you're cute. Or maybe it's because I'm cute. Maybe. Instead of making a bunch of wallets like I told you I was gonna do today, something else came up. We got a top secret mission. We got some secret stuff going on and we got ammo with us, so you know it's a good day. Come here, bud. Come here.
Ready, set.
Are you looking at the camera?
Yay! Yay!
Good teamwork, everybody.
Yay!
Work on the floor. Nailed it.
We can run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside. We can run away, we don't gotta stay.
Alright, so you guys good cleaning that up? Okay, thanks. On three, let's say what the announcement is. 1, 2, 3. We're starting a balloon business!
No, we're not. I'm 12 weeks and 2 days.
We are so excited. I am, are you?
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited.
October 15th, we get to find out if it's a girl or a boy. What do you think?
I already know.
I don't know this time. I feel like I knew the last ones, but Indy
gonna be a
thinks
girl.
Indy thinks it's a boy.
It's
for
a
sure.
girl.
We'll see.
Jen, we could get you a real dog. I think we have one. Instead, you just want to bring your vacuum to the park. It's a little weird. People are looking, Jen. All right, we're gonna have a new baby.
Who's excited?
Woohoo!
Tell him what you want to name him. Or her. We don't know what it is.
Bumbo Litchfield.
Bumbo Litchfield.
Indy's convinced it's a boy, and so for her we say it's a boy. So
And
she wants
she's-
to name it Bumbo.
She's been sticking to that name for quite a while. Huh.
For 6 weeks.
I want to go outside.
What? It's midnight time.
I've been dying to tell you all about this pregnancy because there have been so many times when Whit was not feeling well and she was like stuck in the house but still cranking out all the orders, and I was so proud, so impressed by this girly.
Well, and I probably seem like extra cranky all the time because I am. But now I have a better excuse.
You have tough pregnancies. I'm proud of you. You're a good person.
Thanks. It's hard. It's hard growing a baby.
Okay, I just wanted to say a couple quick things before we wrap this vlog up. One, I saw Ryan from Little King Goods started a vlog channel. I'm so pumped about it. I know how hard filming and editing videos are while you're trying to work. It's not easy, and so it's so cool to see someone else doing the same thing, and I'm pumped for you, Ryan. I can't wait to see more. And you all should go check out his channel. If you like our channel, you're gonna love his too. It's just full of lots of tasty, leathery content. You know, you learn a lot from different makers. Everyone does things a little bit different, so it's really cool to see. Go check out his channel. I'll link it down below. Oh, are you shooting me?
Boom.
Don't you shoot me. What have we learned about firearm safety in this household? You guys are crazy. Okay, this brings up another good point that I wanted to mention. I would love to see all of you, just a mess of other makers, doers, just the people that are out there just getting it. I would love to see some new vlog channels just cropping up and for us to kind of build a little community together and do this together. And honestly, there are so many benefits that come from having a YouTube channel. Let me just list them off for you. I mean, first of all, it gives you a whole new level of transparency. It allows you to grow such a deep connection with your followers that just can't be done on any other platform. It has genuinely helped us grow the business. Every time we post a video, our traffic spikes and we get orders just rolling in. And so we love that. We love that we're getting that kind of support from you. That is the best way that you can support us, and we love it. Thank you so much. But this way is so much better at getting traffic and conversions in comparison to spending big bucks on PPC ad campaigns and all that kind of stuff. I mean, you can spend thousands and thousands of dollars testing the market, and you lose your margins. This is all very organic and real, and we're creating real relationships, and it's amazing. One thing that Whit and I have talked a lot about is the fact that we're basically just storing memories, and we can go back to any time of our life when we were vlogging and see what we were doing in that given moment. Even if it's not a real keystone, memorable moment like a birthday or our baby's being born or something like that. Even it's just a small moment. It's like hanging out in our home. That's one thing that I'm really looking forward to getting out of this, especially on a business level. We can go back and see how we were doing in our business at any given point and see how we were doing things. And then of course being able to store all of our family memories and things like that. That's just priceless. It really helps you become introspective, and you start looking at your life and how you talk to your kids and how you attack your day, what kind of memories you're creating. It allows us to be a little bit more creative with our time, and I love that. We're not doing it to say, oh, look at us, look how cool we are. We're gonna be looking back on these videos for the rest of our life. The things that we create in this life are our legacy. And so I just don't want to waste any time. I want to make the best of every single day. And that's one thing that these vlogs are doing for us. It's doing good things for our business. It's doing good things for our lives, for our relationships. Yeah, so I understand it's not for everybody. I totally get that. But if you believe that it's something you could possibly do, I would love to see you do it. If I see someone out there who's doing it consistently and really putting the work in and the time and really committing to it, I would love to do some collab videos and potentially even get together. Maybe we'll fly across the country and meet up with each other and do a video, and that's the kind of networking and connection that I want, because there just isn't much of it on YouTube right now in the leather world. There's not enough leather vloggery in the world. We better coin that term right now. Hashtag leather vloggery. Okay, scratch that. Instead of just leather vloggery, I want to open that up to maker vloggery and include everybody who's out there just creating things, building businesses with your bare hands, because there are a lot of amazing makers out there outside of the leather world. All right, that's it. Back to the thing. Imagine going back and watching yourself learn things and create and develop and change. All of that could be documented. And the fact that you can monetize it and potentially make a really good living from it, why wouldn't you? Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling about that. You guys all know I'm very passionate about this subject, and I'm just excited. I just think it's such a good thing. Let's do it. Let's do it together. If you're gonna do it, let me know. We'll be in this together every step of the way. Let's get this. Okay, we gotta read some comments really quick because it's getting late. I don't know how you guys do it, but somehow the comments just get better and better with every video. This one's from Catrice Stewart. She says, "You are awesome. I appreciate your videos and all of the help. I'm extremely picky about my purses and haven't been able to find the perfect one, so I'm learning to make them. You're an inspiration." I love those stories. And thank you so much for the kind word. Darren, this one's from Darren Lowry. "Your videos are great and the wallets are awesome. Guess it's time to buy another." That's awesome. "Love your vlogs. My daily dose of enthusiasm. Those black 52s are sweet." Okay, there are so many more. I wish I could just read them all. Thank you guys so much. Hope you had a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Yeah, I won't let you down.